This year Apple will completely overhaul its iPhone lineup, and now a very reliable source may have given us our best look at the most exciting of all of them. Case maker Olixar, which previously nailed designs for the iPhone X, the Galaxy S9, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Note 7 and iPhone 7, has released detailed renders of Apple's all-new budget-friendly iPhone X. The design shows what I expected, an iPhone X-style front with bezel-less display, Face ID sensor and metal chassis. But it doesn't show it at the dimensions I expected, a 6-inch display, with Olixar's stockist mobile phone providing internal schematics to me which show the phone as being 121.04 by 55.82 mm, 4.8 by 2.2 inches. This is almost identical to the 4-inch iPhone SE, which measures 123.8 by 58.6 mm, 4.87 by 2.31 inches, and would imply Apple cannot squeeze in a bezel-less display any larger than 5 inches. For reference, the 5.8-inch iPhone X measures 143.6 by 70.9 mm, 5.65 by 2.79 inches. So which new iPhone is this? Currently, Apple is expected to release a total of 4 new iPhones in 2018. An iPhone SE 2, which is expected to look identical to the iPhone SE, the budget-friendly so-called iPhone XSE, which will look like an iPhone X but have a metal chassis and retail for just $550, a second-generation iPhone X and a much larger iPhone X Plus. From Olixar's information, this design should be the iPhone XSE, but Mobile Fun lists it as the iPhone SE 2. Which means either customers are in for the greatest entry-level iPhone of all time, or the iPhone XSE is a lot smaller than expected. And here things get interesting. Speaking to Mobile Fun, it confirmed the iPhone SE 2 branding is due to uncertainty about what Apple's new iPhone SE and budget iPhone X models will be called. But the company did stress it was confident in the information, which was obtained through their team in China, and supplied me with factory shots of the new display glass beside an iPhone SE for a direct comparison. Has Olixar been wrong in the past? Yes, once, but only partially. Last year it exclusively supplied me with renders of Google's Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. The latter turned out to be exactly right, but the former was not. So based on what we're seeing here, I think we can all be in agreement, this sounds more like the iPhone XSE than the iPhone SE 2. But I desperately hope this is yet another leak Olixar has got right.